Hello everyone, welcome to Data Engineering Studies. Today we are going to tackle a very common coding interview challenge, that is to find records that match exactly two specific values. Here is our scenario. We have a student enrollment table which has two columns, student ID and course name. Our goal is to find students who enrolled exactly two courses, Python and SQL, and has not taken any other courses. Looking at our data, we have two students, student ID 101 and student ID 106 satisfies these criteria, so hence we are returning that in our output. If you see the data, student ID 101 has taken the course Python and SQL, and 101 has not taken any other courses. ID 102 has taken Python and SQL, but has also taken Java. So we are excluding 102 from our output. Student ID 103 has taken only Python and not SQL. So we are excluding 103 in our output. Student ID 104 has taken only SQL and not Python. So we are excluding 104 in our output. Student ID 105 has taken Python and SQL along with JavaScript. So we are excluding 105 in our output. Student ID 106 has taken SQL first and Python. So we are including 106 in our output. I hope the question is clear. We will implement this solution using SQL and Pyspark. Here is our table student course, which has two columns, student ID and course name. Here is the insert statements and here is the select statement. First, let's count how many distinct courses each student took. For our scenario, the distinct courses should match exactly two. Let's implement that. We need student ID, count of distinct course name. Since we are doing the aggregation, we need to group based on the student ID, group by student ID. Let's run this query till this point. Student ID 1 has taken 2 courses, student ID 2 has taken 3 courses, etc. Next, we need to implement the course name should be exactly Python or SQL. In order to implement that, I am going to use case statement. Case when course name in Python or SQL, then we are returning 1, else 0. We are ending the case statement. Now we will find the sum of this column. The sum of this column should be exactly 2 since we are considering only Python and SQL. Let's put this after the count statement. Now let's run this query. Student ID 101 has taken two distinct courses and both the courses are Python and SQL. So we are getting the sum as 2. Whereas student ID 102 has taken 3 courses, but that includes Python and SQL. If you see here, Python and SQL along with Java. As a next step, we will find the students who has taken other courses, that is the courses except Python and SQL. Let's implement that. Let me copy this. Sum of case when courses not in Python or SQL, then we will return 1 else 0. Now let's run this query. Let's see the result. Student ID 101 has taken exactly 2 courses and both the courses are either Python or SQL, and student ID has not taken any other courses. Similarly, student ID 106 has taken 2 courses and both the courses are SQL and Python, and has not taken any other courses. So we need only these three combinations. So let's add this in our having class. So we will filter only these records. I'm going to cut this. Having count distinct of course name should be 2, and course name should be either Python or SQL. This should be 2, and courses not in Python or SQL should be 0. Now let's run this query. We got the desired result. Here is my Spark session which is up and running, and here is my data. I have two columns, student ID and the course name, and I have created a data frame using this data. My data frame name is student course DF. Here is my data frame result. As a first step, I have imported the required functions. I need count distinct function in order to count the unique values. We need sum for aggregation, and we need when function for conditional logic, and we need column to reference the data frame columns. As a first step, we need to group all the rows by student ID. From student courses data frame, I am grouping based on student ID. In the data frame, our column name is student ID. Next, we are using multiple aggregations. So we are using .agg function. First, we are finding the total number of distinct courses. In order to do that, I am using count distinct function based on the course name. Our data frame column name is course name. I am going to alias this as total courses. Next, we are going to find the count of Python and SQL courses. In order to do that, column name in Python or SQL, we are going to populate 1. Otherwise, we are going to populate 0. Finally, we are going to take a sum of this result. This column, I am going to alias it as count Python and SQL. Next, we are going to find the sum of other courses. For this, we are going to use the tilde operation. That means that the courses that are not Python or SQL. This column, I am going to name it as count others. Next, we are going to filter the result. Filter is to keep only those records that meet certain criteria. We need only the records with total courses equals to 2 and count Python and SQL equals to 2 and other courses equals to 0. At the end, we need to select only the student ID. I am selecting only the student ID and I am going to print the data frame dot show. Let me run the result. We got the desired result. If you would like to order the students based on ascending order, you can use order by student ID. Now let me run the code. The student ID is successfully ordered. I hope you like this video and I'm sure that you learned something new today. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe and I will see you in yet another interesting video. Thank you.